Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2024 Nissan Rogue and I will show you the fuel pump fuse location. This video should apply to third generation of Nissan Rogues made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the fuel pump fuse is located in a small fuse box which is actually under the main fuse box. I will show you now everything. So first you have to remove this cover from the main fuse box. You will have two black tabs here at the bottom, one here and one here. So you want to press them at the same time and lift up. Do the same here and on the other side as well. You want to remove this cover and get it off the way. Now this is the main fuse box, but your fuse will be in this small fuse box on the back side of this box actually. So you'll have like a 4 tabs here, 2 on this side and 2 on the opposite side. You want to push them away from this box and leave the box up while doing so. Okay, I might have to use both of my hands here, I'm not sure, we'll see. No, I'm good. Okay, and you see all the fuses will be down here, and the fuse you want to check will be this one right here, this 20 amp yellow fuse. This is your fuel pump. Here on this side you even have like a small fuse diagram, so you will see here it's gonna say fuel pump, and this is this 20 amp fuse. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.